A .gitignore file tells Git to genuinely never track certain real files, like build output or secrets, keeping the repository clean. In this video you'll set up a real, working .gitignore. This real file lists genuine patterns. Git will never track anything matching these, no matter how many times you git add. Even with a real git add node_modules and genuinely never show up as staged. Gitignore is respected automatically. If a real file was already tracked before being added to .gitignore, this genuinely untracks it without deleting it from disk. Gitignore genuinely tells Git which real files or folders to never track. Patterns are respected automatically, even with a broad git add. Git rm cached untracks a real file without deleting it from disk. Add a real .gitignore to a project and confirm node_modules never gets staged. Ready to genuinely undo changes you didn't mean to make?